Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for elementary level part 1. Before I start the lesson, I want you to have a look at these examples and guess what today's lesson is about. Number 1, Ziya went to office at 8 a.m. 2, they didn't come late yesterday. 3, did he visit his parents last Friday? 4, didn't you wash the dishes after dinner last night? And 5, did Salim not do his homework last night? I'm sure you have guessed correctly. Today we're going to study a tense. And the name of that tense is simple past tense. It is also known as the past indefinite tense. Now, what is it? It is used to show an action that happened at a particular time in the past. In simple words, we use the simple past tense to talk about an action or anything that happened in the past. But the most important thing here is the time. The time is clear at a particular time. So the verb form that we use here is the second form of the verb. Unlike simple present tense, here we use verb to, but in simple present tense we use verb 1 with s, es or ies. Now, the positive structure of the simple past tense is subject plus verb to, or the second form of the verb, plus the complement. For example, so the verb is teach, and the second form of teach is taught. I taught present perfect tense the day before yesterday. So this action took place at a particular time in the past. And what is the particular time? The day before yesterday. 2, they lived in Paris in 2002. Now, what is lived? The second form of live. And when did the action happen? In 2002. She got married last year. We met the year before last. Now, the negative structure is subject plus did plus not. Now, here the auxiliary verb did is used. In simple present, we use do and does, but here did. Plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. Remember, the contracted form or the short form of did not is didn't. For example, you did not or didn't study at Melly last year. So remember one thing, that whenever you use did, then the verb form should be verb 1. This is a rule. You cannot say you did not study at Melly. That is wrong. Another example, Tanya did not or didn't wash the dishes last night. You cannot say Tanya did not wash the dishes last night. That is wrong. Another example, people did not or didn't follow the traffic rules in 1900s. And it did not or didn't rain a lot last summer. Okay, now let's talk about the positive interrogative structure. So here we use did at the beginning of the sentence, then we have subject plus, again, verb 1 plus the complement, and do not forget a question mark. So, for example, did Habibi work hard last semester? And then a question mark. And once again, I have to tell you, you shouldn't say did Habibi worked hard. That's wrong. Did Amiri and Abdullah come on Tuesday? Did she call me yesterday? Did she watch English movies last night? And did they wake up late in the morning? Now, let's talk about the negative interrogative structure. And as you all know that the negative interrogative structure has 2 types, the formal and the informal. So the formal one is did plus subject plus not plus verb 1 plus the complement. For example, did she not go to school yesterday? Don't say did not she go to school, that's wrong. Did we not wash our clothes last night? Did he not help her last week? Did they not go to UK last year? The negative interrogative structure, informal, is didn't plus subject plus verb 1 plus the complement. So, for example, didn't she graduate in 2002? Didn't you study during the quarantine last month? Didn't Ahmed pass the final test last semester? And number 4, didn't we speak well in pre-beginner? This concludes our session for today. Do not forget the exercise on the same lesson. Remember, this was just a short version of our today's lesson, and the same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much.